Hey guys, welcome to another video of Automotive. Today I am somewhere in Dubai. We are going to LC Performance. It's a garage here. They have some beautiful cars. So before we head there, let's check out some cars in the parking lot. Like the Murciélago here, and it looks abandoned. I have no idea why, but it is a beautiful one. And this is also a gated one. Damn, this is a gated Murciélago convertible, and it looks so beautiful. And then there's a McLaren here. This is a 570 and this guy's boot is open, so I don't know if we can look into it, but yeah, this is a nice Murciélago here. And there's one track build BMW here, abandoned, and there's like a lot of other cars here, basically.
I think that's a fucking Countach.
There's a beautiful 380 SL, and this is Countach. I have no idea if this is an original one or it's a body one, but it looks like it's a body kit one.
It's a kit car.
It looks like a kit car.
I got so excited for no reason.
There's a kit car here, and then there's one track build Golf. The track build Golf here. It's very beautiful. And then there's a Huracan here. Which also looks abandoned for some reason. So we are in the right area, I guess. But the Mercedes, the old school Mercedes, looks so cool.
I got too excited looking at this.
Yeah, that's Gourmet. So now we are heading in towards warehouse number 8. We need to figure out where that is. Spotted a Mini. Didn't know how small this car is till we actually saw it. It's like so tiny.
The car smaller than you, man.
Hey, I found a car which is smaller than me.
There's a Mini with semi-slicks on it.
And it looks like it has some crazy exhaust system also. So I found a car which is smaller than me finally. So cool. Type R Civic. Damn. That is so cool. We have Corvette too. I so wish we had this car in India. Oh my god, there's a Subaru here. Oh, look at this Corvette. So we are at Heritage Motorsports. Came to take some, they work on all classic cars here. So let's take some quick montage. So we just explored Heritage Works. I hope you enjoyed the montage. Now we are heading to the place we actually came to go, and we met a person called Victor at Heritage Motors. I will put his Instagram on the screen. You can check it out. Really sweet person, and thank you so much for the opportunity, Victor. Now we will head this way. So we've made a link connect. That's the workshop guy. Hello. So this is the garage we were supposed to come and see.
Look at that.
And yeah, so this is the race car they were racing yesterday. Then this is the other car. Hello, bhai. How are you?
Good.
So his name is Zishan, right?
Dilshan.
Dilshan.
Yeah.
So he's going to show us around.
This is Hayabusa engine.
So this has a Hayabusa engine, and it is a two-door race car with a Busa engine. Damn.
Busa convert.
It's got two Subaru turbos. So very, very small turbos. Whenever we fabricated in-house, all of the fabrication, all the piping was done in-house. And then it runs two Subaru top-mount intercoolers.
On each side.
One each side, hidden away. So yeah, it's not a lot of power, but it makes 600 horse at 1 bar of boost.
Do you even have fun driving normal cars?
No. I've got a GT 500 Shelby Mustang, a 2020. But a great, lovely car. Don't get me wrong. But I don't really drive it. It doesn't interest me. This is so much more fun, you know. Just
So
the
which
noise
is
of this.
which is your daily car now?
I was driving this the other day. I've got an F-150 truck.
Oh,
So,
that's a
yeah, the truck outside. Yeah. But yeah,
So,
this is good
so
fun.
this will so we can hear the startup.
Yeah, we can start it. Yeah. I built this in Scotland as well. So it's a Subaru body shell, but it's all fiberglass.
Okay.
Fiberglass door, bonnet, boot, everything's fiberglass. So flat 6 from an SVX, which is a 1995 Subaru. Twin GT35 turbos. Manifold, original manifold was, I cut it and then swapped it round and then re-welded it. You can see the welding on the sides of it and cleaned it up a little bit. Yeah. Runs a daily dry sump system. Makes 1300 horse at and 1100 foot-pounds of torque at 5200 RPM. So yeah, it's a lot of car. R3 Nitron suspension. Yeah. I built this 10 years ago now. So at the time it runs NOS as well.
I was just gonna ask.
Yeah. Yeah, it runs a dry system NOS and uses the ECU to control the fueling.
Is it what short NOS? Like the jets?
So I just these are 150 horse.
Each?
No, between the two of them.
Okay.
Yeah, 75 each. I only use it to spool the turbocharger.
Okay.
And then once it gets going, then we never use yours again. Yeah, so just usually when if you're on a short course or something that's when you're getting it down in low revs, the NOS will come on for the first few thousand revs and get the turbo spooling and then switch off after that. It's got this was the original EG33, which was the original engine throttle body, and then I cut this. And this is a Subaru drive-by-wire throttle, which we welded on. You can see the. So I like to make stuff out of stuff we have lying around and repurpose materials and a bit of upcycling. Yeah, it's even got a Mitsubishi Evo bottle on it. And then inside the car itself, it's. Again, it's a very complex car. I mean, I guess some cars nowadays are maybe a wee bit more, but you can see all of the equipment inside. You just need to hold that door. You feel how light the doors are as well.
The other doors you can do something.
Yeah, and then in here you've got fuel tank, NOS, fire extinguishing systems, air compressor for gear shift, And then in the back, these are the intake ports for the radiator. So the radiator lies in the back, and then the exits into the low pressure area of the car.
Even the wing is active arrow here.
No, this one doesn't have active aero, no.
Okay, it's just fixed.
Yeah. There's your radiator exhaust.
So beautiful.
Outlet there, you know.
Wow.
Everything custom made.
Just me on dual channel. So now we're just heading to Dom Auto Performance. Apparently there are a lot of supercars there, so stay tuned. We are going to go explore that area now. This is something I will never be able to get to see in my life again. This is a Rolls-Royce engine out of the car. Like the full engine, transmission, it's fully out of the car. And it's a Ferrari, and this is a car, it's a Diablo. We are at an MK Performance. Thank you so much for the opportunity. So we just came to Tensai Racing. Tensai Racing, and yeah, we saw basically like all the possible JDM cars there, like the Evos, the GTRs. I hope you're going to enjoy the quick montage of his garage. Just finished looking around here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you so much, Colin, for the opportunity. Tomorrow we'll be meeting Colin again. We're going to be meeting a Ferrari on the dyno, so stay tuned for that vlog. And till next time, drive safe. Cheers.